Hello, I am Dr. Vivek Verma, Director Orthopaedic Oncology and Joint Reconstructive Surgeries at Max Hospitals, Delhi. Today, I am going to demonstrate you the different type of products that we use in tumor prosthesis and revision joint surgeries. Hi, so now this is a total femur prosthesis. There are different components, especially when we look at the knee. This is the knee joint and this is the hip joint. Now I'm going to break it into small pieces, how every component is there. So let's start from the upper part. So this is your trochanteric component. This is your spacer in between. Whatever length you want to make it, you can extend, you can shorten. And then this is your knee components, individual knee components. These are the individual components. Now I'm going to show you how to articulate a total femur. The first component is your trochanter and the cup. This is one part. Now we attach this segment. This is going to give it the length. Then comes your distal femoral component where we are going to attach it there. Now this needs to be attached with the tibial component. So now this is completely locked. So this is the entire femur component where it will move. Thank you.